Kia ora team, welcome back to another episode of Gearbox. Today we're unboxing two new Ultralight tents from Big Agnes, the Copper Spur Hyperbead and the Tiger Wall UL2. These are not just another pair of tents. The new Hyperbead versions introduce next level fabric tech that changes the game. Let's break down what that means and why it matters. Here it is, the Copper Spur UL2 with brand new Hyperbead fabric. This isn't just marketing paint, the tech delivers some serious benefits. It's 25% more waterproof compared to older ultralight fabrics, and it achieves that without any DWR or PFAS coatings, meaning no harmful chemicals ever. 6% lighter, shaving down the grams so you can carry less without sacrificing your strength. 50 to 100% stronger or more tear resistant than prior materials, giving you ultralight durability that you can really trust. That's right, this fabric stays waterproof from day one or day 1000. No reapplications, no fading. Everything else, same copious livability, 2 doors, 2 vestibules, freestanding setup, and solid interior space, just packed into an even sharper engineered package. Packed weight is about 1.4 kgs, so it's still ultralight, but with a big livability boost. Perfect if you want space without going too heavy. Next up, Tiger Wall UL2. This one is the ultralight purist's dream. Now also built with Hyperbead tech, it shares the advantages: lighter, more waterproof, stronger, and PFAS free. At about 1.13 kgs, it's the lightest 2-door dual vestibule tent that Big Agnes offers. The catch? It's semi-freestanding. You'll still have to stake the foot end out, but that's a trade most ultralighters are okay with. Okay, so let's compare them. So the Copper Spur UL2, 1.42 kgs in weight, fully freestanding, and its key strengths, roomier, easier to set up, and ultralight livability. The Tiger Wall UL2, on the other hand, 1.13 kgs, semi-freestanding, key strengths is ultralight, high-performance minimalism. So the bottom line, both tents now carry the Hyperbead fabric, making them lighter, more durable, and cleaner for the planet. Your choice boils down to your preference. The Copper Spur for comfort and livability, Tiger Wall for pure minimalist performance. So are you ready to upgrade your shelter? Both of these packs are available now at gearshop.co.nz. Links in the description. Time to kick that pack weight down a notch. Thanks heaps for watching. See you in the next episode.